Hello everyone, happy moving day. Today my movers come and we are going to move into my new apartment from this apartment, obviously. I've never hired movers before, so I don't really know what to expect. I texted the lady yesterday that I was in communication with and I was like, is there anything that I can do to make everyone's life easier? And she was like, just be as packed up as you possibly can. So I kind of put everything just in the middle of my apartment. I don't know if that was smart or dumb or whatever, but it's weird having every single thing that I own just in one place. But this is what the living room looks like. Just so much stuff. And then I have my furniture and stuff here, and then here is my bedroom. This stuff is kind of stuff that I'm gonna take with me. My bathroom, my closet, those are the socks that I'm gonna wear today. It still hasn't hit me that I'm moving today. It doesn't feel real. It hasn't really sunk in yet, but I think I woke up at like 4 or something because naturally I just could not sleep. But it's 6:30 right now and the movers are coming at 7. Fingers crossed, I hope it all goes well. I have no idea what to expect because like I said, I've never hired movers before, but I'm really glad that I'm not having to do this on my own. I think it'll definitely be worth the money spent. Because let's be honest, there is no way that I am able to move this couch, this bed. I'm not strong enough to do it. The movers are incredible. They're seriously so nice. It took them less than an hour and a half to pack up, or not pack up, but like take everything from my apartment into their moving truck, wrap all my furniture. They're so good. It's called Midas Moving in Arizona. If you guys are curious, they are on their way to my new apartment and then they're gonna move everything in there. I'm seriously so grateful. I always feel bad though, like when they were moving everything out, I'm like, do you guys want me to help you? And they're like, no, like you're paying us to do this, but I'm like, but I want to help. But they're so nice and I'm so glad that I hired movers, but they're on their way soon. The movers just left. We are officially moved in. Although this place is trashed. I'll show it to you guys. We have boxes. We have more boxes and even more boxes. I also have this cube unit that I measured and it will fit in here. However, I don't know if it will fit in through the door. I've been trying to rearrange it and shuffle it in. Not really working out, but we're gonna keep trying. Let me show you the rest of the place. This is the living room and then we have my bedroom in here. I was actually surprised that the desk fit in here. I mean, the bed is against the wall. I'm not sure if I want the desk on this wall or on this wall. Let me know what you guys think. The bathroom, there's this tree that's just like in the middle of this little hallway. Let me just shimmy through that. We have the bathroom in here and then I kind of have been storing everything in the closet. I really want this cube system to fit in this closet and I feel like I don't know if it will because it's IKEA, so I can't take it apart. I measured it and it will fit inside here. It's just getting it through the door. I should have asked the movers to help me with this, but then I was like, I don't want to bother them. I was like, I can do it on my own. I've been trying for like 20 minutes. My mom is also coming. I'm pretty hungry, so she's gonna bring us some food. We have a lot of unpacking to do, clearly, but I'm so excited. The movers were incredible. One of them gave me his phone number and I wasn't sure if that was like in a romantic, like a hitting on me way. He's like, this is our business card and on the back is my personal phone number. And I didn't know if that was like for moving purposes. I don't know. I'm kind of in my head about it. Beside the point. I also met one of my neighbors. He seems really nice. He said he moved in yesterday and I was like, oh my god, no, I'm moving in today. Clearly. I'm gonna keep trying this. This thing is also extremely wobbly. I'm gonna see if my mom can help me with this. I don't know. I'll have to make it work. I hit the ceiling fan. I'm still going to try to get this cube into this little closet, but just in case, I'm going to measure it to see if I need to buy a smaller one and sell this one. I run a small business and so I want to put some of my inventory in here. That's the whole purpose of it, or else I wouldn't really care. I just need something that's a little bit thinner than 31 inches. It needs to be like 29 to fit through this door because it just barely fits. Like it's like that much off. I feel slightly overwhelmed. Like I'm not even sure where I want to start with all of this stuff. I think I might move my couch over a little bit. I was just about to do it, but then I was like, you know, maybe my mom could help me with that because she's on her way and that might be a 2-person job. I had to buy a second one of these dollies.
You bought a second one?
Yeah, because my first one the wheels fell off.
Where are we putting the coffee to?
Should we just move it out of the way in the meantime?
Yeah, but where? Like here?
Sure.
I like the flooring.
I do too.
What did you have in your other?
It's kind of like gray.
Yeah, I like that.
I think we can move the rug with the couch.
We can try. Do you want to get the couch all the way to the rug all the way to the wall?
I think like this far away, that far away.
Do you have room to stand over there?
Oh god. Wait, I have an idea. Yeah, but there's a, wait. Oh.
Yeah, I think that did it. Well, maybe. It's still not exactly even. Dang it! What if we push the couch that way a little bit and then pull on it and then push the couch back? Because the couch isn't that heavy, apparently, right? Ooh. Wait, what are you better put the rug down? Oh. Alright. You pull the rug. There we go.
Okay, I think it's fine.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna put the tree back. Do you wanna say hi to the camera? Did you like that?
That was funny.
How did you say that was funny?
That was funny.
LOL.
Can we just push the couch back, or do you want to lift it? And then there is an outlet here, like back or forward? Back?
Wait, I'll tell you. Okay, now it's, yeah.
Actually, it's probably a good thing you got this size couch.
I know someone commented, they go, your mom ended up being right. And I was like, yeah. I think it's, I think it's too close now. I think they kind of ruined some of the branches on the tree.
I was gonna say, the tree looks weird.
That's what I'm gonna do, but I need to move one of the bins first. Oh wait, should we move the coffee table?
Yeah, because that'll make it easier to, okay. We'll put the pillow on that.
Well, that's what I was gonna do, but I needed,
Okay. You need the room? 1, 2, 3.
this way. The movers, they had like their own like language. They were like, corner, blah, 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 like exactly like the ways they were turning and everything.
Oh, like to go up the steps?
Yeah, or like shuffle, shimmy. Like they were just saying like words and like they knew exactly what it meant.
Well, that's good. Oh, so you have to move that bin.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying.
I think, wait, can we move the coffee table a little more this way?
Yeah.
So it's not like perfectly even. What do you think? There. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. Is this living room a little bit smaller?
Yeah,
This way?
vertically.
Yeah.
And always, it's a little bit smaller.
Always.
But I'm not complaining.
No. And you're saving some money, right? Isn't that the most important thing? Your electrical might be less?
Yeah, I think it will be for sure. I can just leave it like that for now, because all of that stuff in there is the decor that's gonna go in there. Looks nice.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, Mom.
Thumbs up.
My mom just left, so now I need to really start unpacking everything. She was really helpful with moving the couch. I appreciated that very, very much. This is kind of what it looks like in here. I feel like I don't know where I want to start. That's kind of my issue. My closet. Oh, let me show you guys my closet. Oh my gosh. You can't even walk in it. There's just so much stuff. So I don't really know where I want to begin. I can't believe that I moved into here though. Like I'm gonna be sleeping here tonight. Like that's kind of the craziest thing in my head right now. Just made my bed. I think I'm gonna lay in it for a little bit because I'm really tired. I don't know why I'm tired. I didn't do any of the moving myself. I did wake up really early. Maybe it's also because it's just so hot outside. I think it's 115 right now. But I just want to like lay on my phone and scroll on TikTok for a little bit and then I'll get back to unpacking. I feel exhausted. I need an energy drink. Maybe that's what I'll do. I am moving it on over to the living room. I just plugged my TV in, my printer. You can hear my printer. It's in this little thing and it's just setting up again, but happy to have my TV working. I don't know if I need to set up the Wi-Fi for it, but yay. I don't know if I'm going crazy, but I feel like it's crooked. I feel like this way, I feel like this one is like leaning that way a little bit. Am I crazy? Like just the bottom, it's not straight. Do you see what I'm talking about? I can't tell. I think it's, no, it definitely is crooked. Maybe on camera it's not showing it, but it's like leaning this way. It's obviously not screwed into the wall. Ow, 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 ow. I just hit that with my ankle. Ow. No, it's 100% crooked. I feel like it's not, you can't see it on the camera. I'm sure it'll be fine when I nail it into the wall, but I wanted to figure out the best place for it. But it's also throwing me off that it's crooked. Normally I would have like everything unpacked right now, but I'm just feeling lazy and tired and burnt out. I can also hear the people that live above me walking. They're like with their feet when they walk. But let me show you the place. Really not that much progress has been made. I put that there. I was laying in my bed that I freshly made. Oh, I put this there. It's been almost an hour since I put it there. I have these prints that used to be above my desk, but I was kind of thinking of framing them. Maybe putting them in this corner or this corner. we'll see. I also put my mirror here. This full-length mirror is from IKEA. My thermostat is actually behind this, so I might end up moving it, but my thermostat has an app that I can adjust it, so I don't even technically need it. I can just use the app, and if I need it, I can just move this out of the way. Not 100% sure if I'm gonna keep this here, but I do actually like it here. I also put one box in my shower because I didn't know where to put it. I feel like my closet is like the thing that I should be working on right now. My closet or my kitchen or my bathroom. Everything. I should be working on everything right now. Okay, the dolly that I ran into really just hurt my ankle. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear the person that lives above me walking. They just stopped. This is a brand new apartment complex, so I'm the first one to live into this unit. And I noticed that all the cabinets and drawers are just covered in dust. I think I talked about this in one of my other vlogs. The floor was disgusting. It turned my feet black, just like walking on it barefoot. So before I moved in here, I came like I preferred and mopped it a ton of times, but I wanted to dry dust and then Clorox wipe all my cabinets and drawers before I put anything in them because they're kind of dirty and messy and dusty. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I couldn't really sleep last night. I think I woke up at like 4 a.m. and I was like, where am I? And I was like, oh yeah, I moved. Okay. I wanted to start off the morning by just putting some stuff away in my kitchen. I don't think that where I have everything or the way I organize everything is gonna be like 100% the way that I'm gonna keep it. I think that I just wanna put things where I think I want them and kind of live in it for a while and then reorganize, maybe move things around to the most like efficient way possible. That's what I did last time in my apartment and I really liked that. However, I think I really pushed off organizing my kitchen for way too long, so I'm gonna give it like a week, maybe 2, and then I'll like try to really organize it. Last time I waited like a couple months. Don't want to do that, but it didn't take me that long to put stuff away. I still have more kitchen stuff and I'm like, where did I pack that stuff? Because there's some things that I'm like, where is that? It's going well so far, can't complain. And that's my update for right now. I think the next thing that I want to work on is probably my closet, but my closet's really intimidating. So this is a mess. Obviously, I don't want all these clothes to be on the bottom rack. I'd like for it to be up there, but I need to move all the stuff that I have right here down there. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna do it. Let's just do it. These drawers aren't as like deep or like depth wise. They're not as big as my last apartment. So I have a few seasonings that didn't fit, but no big deal. I'm planning on putting one of those no slip mats in here so it's not moving around. I think that these will stay in place, but I think these will probably move, which again, no big deal. I'll figure it out. I'll just get a no slip mat, but this is going to be my little spice drawer next to my oven. I think that will be really nice. Yay, glad I have that figured out. I also added a bunch of stuff up here for my small business, and then I also added my Ninja Creamy. I have a bunch of like parcels. I have some some microphones, I have some plastic wrap, I have some labels, things like that all the way up here that I don't use all the time. So it's nice that I have storage, but I can just stand on a little chair if I need to get up to it. I thought I'd show you guys what I'm planning on doing for all of these cabinets and drawers, and then if you guys have any thoughts, let me know. Obviously, this will be food. I'm thinking of having alcohol and stuff like that in the bottom. Here I have like pots and pans. Here I have silverware. I need to get a new silverware holder because this one doesn't fit this way. It only fits that way, which, I mean, I think I'll use this for a while, but eventually I'm planning on switching it over just because this is like, this goes against normal flow. I want to mimic this very similar to how my last apartment was, so I want to put like cooking utensils up here. These drawers, like I said, they're not as big this way and this way, so it'll be a little bit more cramped. And then I have some dish towels and oven mitts. I'm forgetting how to speak all words today. And then I also have some cutting boards and stuff. I might put more stuff in here. And then I have Ziploc baggies in here. And here I have some cups. I want to lower this one to maybe here, so these are easily reachable. And I have some water bottles, and then I have plates and bowls up here. These ones are very TBD, like I might change them out. But I have some Tupperware, and then I have more like bowls and Tupperware and things like that in here. This is kind of like my alcohol cups and cabinets and stuff like that. So I have wine glasses, I have my little bar shaker, and then I have some appliances in here, like my mixer, waffle maker, stuff like that. I don't even know if I have anything in here. Yeah, I haven't put anything in these ones yet. Planning on having this one be a junk drawer. This one be for like my camera, technology, batteries, and things like that. Do I even have anything in here? I don't think so. Oh, I have parchment paper and some Reynolds wrap. Love that. And then this drawer, like I just showed you guys, was the spices. And then I just have some cleaning stuff under my sink here. Oh, I also added this little wooden cutting board that I got when I was in Greece, and I added this on here. I have some more decor. It's all in there that I need to unbox. But that's what I'm planning on doing for the kitchen. Let me know if you guys have any thoughts, like I said, about like the most efficient way to maybe organize this, because I don't think that what I have right now is set in stone. My bathroom is a little bit of a mess. I haven't unboxed anything for my bathroom yet. What I'm really happy about is I have this linen closet that I'm planning on putting like products and things like that. So I have like some washcloths. This is where my jewelry is gonna go. So that's gonna be really nice for storage in here. My closet is definitely a mess. As you guys saw, I kind of put those clothes up here. I'm kind of considering putting my leggings and stuff on hangers because my last apartment had a bunch of shelves that I put my jeans. So I'm debating if I want to hang my jeans or my leggings or both, because I don't think they'll all fit in my dresser. Also, one really weird thing that I've noticed in my apartment is my bathroom and my bedroom and my closet have like no airflow. The vents are open, but it is completely different in temperature. I have the fan going in my bedroom, but I'm standing in my bedroom right now. Now I'm standing in this hallway. This hallway, like the difference between just stepping in these two rooms, completely different. It's like a 15-degree difference. For my bedroom, I want to hear your guys' thoughts, because at first I was considering, like I said, moving this desk to this wall because I thought it'd make the room look bigger, but I actually think it makes the room look bigger having the desk on that wall, because when you walk in, you kind of see like a lot of space there. I don't know, what are your guys' thoughts? I also love the tree in that corner. I think it makes me really happy. I've been doing a little bit of editing. It's still a work day, so I still have a ton of work that I need to get done on top of unpacking and moving all this stuff. I think I'm going to end this vlog here, and I'll pick it up in the next one, and we'll finish, or maybe not finish, make some more progress on unpacking, organizing, decorating, my favorite part. But I love you guys so much. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you're not already, by the way. I'd love to have you here. And I hope you guys are excited for some more moving vlogs. Love you. Mwah. Bye.